my people. Chat about. This is your bossy MC. I'm about to introduce to you a brother will say, he might go get big, big. Well, we'll see about that, nah? Anyway, I want to give it up for the brother. Give it up for the brother.
Running from the thought, I keep bumping back into it. Trying to get away, keep dragging me into it. Running from the thought, I keep bumping back into it. Trying to get away, how many times we've been through it. Communication breakdown, party anthem lay down. Spirits of a playground, running from a great town. And medieval horror, goes from the past that'll travel through tomorrow. Follow each and every step that I take. As many bars I break, I still can't escape. So at night I stay awake, go out and separate my soul from my conscience. And all I can equate is a bunch of crazy nonsense. Running from the thought, I keep bumping back into it. Bumping back into it. Trying to get away, trying to get away. Keep dragging me into it. Running from the thought, keep bumping back into it. Leave me alone, man. Trying to get away, trying to get away. How many times we've been through it? Try to stay versatile and switch up my pattern. Can't keep it rotating like the rings of Saturn. Gotta break the cycle and move it like nitro. Get it out of my head before I go psycho. Insomniac on the track, falling out, bouncing back, humming with a wild attack, trying to keep my mind intact. Back to the days of the past, keep popping in the head like a memory flash.
Running from my thoughts,
running from the thoughts.
Keep coming back into it,
bumping back into them.
Trying to get away,
trying to get away.
Keep dragging me into
trying to
it,
dragging me down, man.
Running from my thoughts,
running from the thoughts.
Keep coming back into
say
it.
What, say what?
Trying to get away,
I'm trying to get away.
How many times we've been through it?
How many times we gonna do it, man? Oh shit, just can't get out that circle. Kids got me bicycling home. Split, light it up with a match. Rockin' Casper's like a clash. We could all sit back and watch the world crash. To pick up the pieces of the fractured elements. Write your last will and testament like it was the end, but it's never the end. I hate to tell you, my friend, they keep coming back again and again. Running from the thought, running from the thoughts. I keep bumping back into it, bumping back into it. Trying to get away, trying to get away. Keep dragging me into it, dragging me down, man. Running from the thought, running from the thought. Keep bumping back into it. Say what? I'm trying to get away, I'm trying to get away. How many times we've been through it? How many times?
Running from my thoughts,
running from the thoughts.
Keep coming back into it. Trying to get away,
trying to get away.
Keep dragging me into it. Running from my thoughts, keep coming back into
say
it.
What? Say what?
Trying to get away. How many times we've been through it?
How many times we gonna do it, man?
Back into it, trying to get away, keep dragging me into it. Running from my thoughts, keep coming back into it, trying to get away. How many times we've been through it?
How many times we gonna do it, man? keeps us alive with medicinal incisions. Teen-time technology and digital ladders lead us each night into the mouth of rapture. In the mouth of the rapture. It's alright, cause everybody gets trapped here. On to the break of dawn, kid. You know we don't stop till we on in. Rap it on to the break of dawn, kid. You know we don't stop till we on in.
Toe to toe, dancing very slow, belly breathing, almost comatose. Wall to wall, people hypnotized,
Don't look into his
and
eyes.
they're stepping lively, hang each night in rapture.
Rap it on to the break of dawn, kid. You know we don't stop till we on in. Cruise control. Everybody on cruise control. Cruise control. Everybody gon' lose control. Cruise control. With my Top Gun Maverick. Cruise control. Everybody on cruise control. Who could it be? Sticks to legendary with the hand skills that'll leave none secondary. Cruise cutter with the ill flutter. Move so fast that'll leave you in the gutter. Asking for your mother, does it like no other. Puts the needle to the record when it gets hectic. Don't try to test him, the cuts of the skies for a secret weapon. Behind the decks, he's an evil genius with more enhanced skills, a girl stroke with the penis. See what I mean? His decision meets the target like an infrared beam. Precise when he drops it, the man, the myth, the legendary, the prophet. And all the kids ask,
How your damn hands move so fast?
cruise control. Everybody on cruise control. Cruise control. Everybody gon' lose control. Cruise control. With my Top Gun Maverick. Cruise control. Everybody on cruise control. So precise, he sliced to the groove. He cut so deep, profound and smooth. Make you move, go wild, flip out. Always new skills, it sticks, no doubt. Digging in the crates, searching for the slate to elevate this joint to a higher state. It's getting late, better break the rhythm, stop the beat. Sticks comes with the incision, with the beat. Tell him how it goes. After the show, he's in his red metro. Slow and low in his red metro. Slow and low, yo, that's his tempo. Cruise control. Everybody on cruise control. Cruise control. Everybody gon' lose control. Cruise control. With my Top Gun Maverick. Cruise control. Everybody on cruise control. Cruise control. Everybody on cruise control. Cruise control. Everybody gon' lose control.